Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change your wallet's name on Zerion mobile wallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video right away. First of all, tap open the Zerion application on your mobile device and log into your wallet like you normally would. After you're inside the homepage of Zerion, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, tap on App Settings in the pop-up at the bottom. Click on Manage Wallets under Settings. Click on your wallet's name at the top and type in your new name under Name. Finally, get back and you will be able to see you have successfully changed the name of your wallet. That is how you easily change your wallet's name on Zerion mobile app. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.